If you are seeing this video, you are currently dealing with somebody, or you was dealing with somebody who has no interest in taking accountability for their actions whatsoever. Where this person should be apologizing, chasing you, letting you know how much they messed up or how much they miss you, they're actually ghosting you. They're completely blanking your messages, and you've poured your heart and soul into some of these messages. This person was always back and forth with you, in and out energy, back and forth. However, every time they came in, God. Every time they came in, you felt like you were making progress, and they was trying a little bit harder, and it did seem like that every time they would come back. But then they would run again. They would sabotage the connection, they would run away, and they'd make out like you never even shared a connection, really. So this person has always been of that energy where they've always kind of ghosted you a little bit, you know? They're not good at replying to your messages, they're not good at calling, they're not good at showing up the way you show up. So you two have very different love languages. You are in separation right now, and in this separation, they're actually kind of reflecting on everything that's happened. And I don't feel you've been out of contact for this long, and something feels different about this time. So it could be that you have actually decided, actually, there's no point moving forward with this because it just doesn't work. And they're feeling that, and that's kind of like settling in them. In my cards here, it's showing that they have actually been doing some reflective work. They are acknowledging where they are at fault in a lot of these behaviors. And that is very, very out of character for this person, because they've never had to acknowledge it before, because you've always been there. But they're showing me there's this acknowledgement of emotion, of feelings, and them actually feeling quite guilty about the way that they've treated you. Now, usually this person does not do accountability. They will not take ownership of their part in anything. And you are both no angels, but you usually apologize, you can take accountability, and you can move on from that, whereas they can't. However, this time they are taking accountability. They are going to message you. They are going to apologize. And it is going to be genuine. I feel like this person, from my cards, has had some kind of spiritual awakening here, and they have definitely been working on themselves. Maybe something has happened in their life, because I've got sorrow wrapped around them. So not just losing you, but maybe they've lost someone else, someone close to them. This could be anything from a beautiful family member to a family pet who meant a lot to them. But they've sensed some kind of heartbreak, and it's actually kind of been a bit of a wake-up call for them. You have a very intense connection, both of you, because you're in a karmic relationship. And if you don't figure it out, you two together in this life, you will have to figure it out in the next. That's not to say you have got to do all the figuring out. You can't. They have to meet you halfway. And they are actually getting there. You are bonded through the soulmate cord, the tie that links you both together. So you're feeling each other's emotions. You're thinking about each other, and you're triggering to think about each other, because you are both bonded, you are both connected. You both keep checking your phones to see if the other one's got in touch, if they unblocked you, are they messaging. There's strong water energy around this Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, and there's also strong fire energy, so Leo, Sagittarius, Aries. It must be prevalent in their birth chart. Your person is not doing well right now. They're not happy. They're in a lot of sorrow and pain. They are going to come through with a conversation. You're going to be very, very surprised at this conversation. This message is going to come through really early in the morning, like earlier than what they usually get up at. And the reason for that, and this has actually come out in one of my videos before as well, is because they are having trouble sleeping, and they are waking up like at the crack of dawn before it even gets light, and they're thinking about you. And what's happened is they're going to have a dream, and in the dream you are with them, lying next to them, and when they wake up you're not there, and it freaks them out, and they reach out to you. I feel like this person is currently staying with somebody who is not good for them at all. They have friends around them that are not good for them. And this is all part of their spiritual awakening, is that they're realizing that, and realizing that actually it's not healthy for them, and that they want to cut these people off. They do want to cut these people off. I know you've been wanting this relationship to work for the longest time, and I know you've put a lot of hard work in, but this is your angel guides through this message telling you this relationship is going to work. Whereas before they've come off as selfish and emotionally detached, that's actually part of their survival instincts because of what they've survived in their life. It's not an excuse for their behavior towards you, but it is a reason. They are not naturally narcissistic and a bad person, and you know this because you can feel their heart. They have learned certain things in order to survive their circumstances, but what you learn to survive is not what you need to thrive. And they're getting that now. You might be feeling a little bit depressed around this, a little bit sad, your energy's low. Just know this is going to pass. Your spirit guides are telling you to walk out near trees and to ground your energy. I feel like you're Googling repeated numbers or angel numbers, or you're seeing angel numbers, especially 1111, and all the sevens are coming through. Also, there's something either 33, someone's 33 years old, they have 33 in their number or birthday or where they live, but the number 33 is prevalent here somewhere. These are synchronicities from the universe. Listen to them. Go and ground your energy.